Genius. Time in 1 month. I think so. Копляться. We met on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we come together here, right?
Unbelievable.
So nice. 갑자기 함암을 하고 해변으로 오는 길에 혼자 여행하는 러시아 누나를 만났어요. 그래서
Hi.
그래서 갑자기 같이 걷고 있습니다. 뭔가 안탈리아에는 러시아 사람들이 엄청 많은데 혼자 여행하는 러시아 사람들도 많은 것 같아요. 혼자 여행하는 러시아 여자를 만나고 싶으시면 안탈리아로 오시는 게 좋을 것 같아요. Yesterday was the anniversary, like meaning of Atatürk Day. So yesterday there were a lot of shipping there, a helicopter. Yeah. 제가 어제도 해변에서 그냥 선베드에 누워있다가 옆자리에 러시아 여성분이 있어서 몇 마디 했는데 그분도 혼자 오셨다고 했거든요. 러시아 사람들이 안탈리아에 많이 오긴 하는데 여성분들이 혼자 의외로 많이 오시네요. 또 도와주네요. 아저씨가 정말 착한 누나네. 저도 한번 도와준 적 있습니다. I think my YouTube subscriber like you.
Really?
Yeah. What do you want to drink?
I just tea.
Tea? Hot or cold?
Hot. Yes.
Even it's hot?
Yeah. I'm really strange.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Min.
Min.
And
Oh,
you?
it's easy. My name is Daria.
Daria.
Yes.
Daria.
That's right. Yes. Yes.
Ah, I have
Daria.
one friend whose name is Daria in my
Really?
hostel. Yeah,
Really?
she's also Russian.
Oh, nice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I know some of Russian name like Nastya, Tima,
Wow.
Vladimir Putin. Maybe all
So
of the
many
world,
people. Yeah.
people all of the world know your presence.
Yeah. You good speak English?
Not really.
Really?
Compare with you, I'm a
Yes,
little bit more, but not really.
How long you?
Study English.
Yes.
I studied in elementary school, middle school, high school, almost 10
Oh,
years. But I'm not enough to talking a lot. You can say this, like
Yeah.
press button and say. Press this and say.
It's Russian.
Russian
or...
and Korean.
Когда я вернусь домой, моя первая задача это выучить английский. I'm start learning maybe 2 or 3 months.
And before 2 or 3 months, you didn't know about English?
Yes.
Wow, you are so good.
Really?
Yeah,
Thanks.
genius. Are you Pilates instructor?
Yes.
Pilates?
Stretching. More
Stretching.
stretching. Yes. Stretching. Little gym.
Gym?
Little. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
I like gym.
Yeah, me too. Как часто ты занимаешься в спортзале?
I went to the gym at least 5 days in a week when I was in Korea. But now, one time in 1 month.
Me too. Me too.
I guess a lot of Russian peoples are in here in Antalya.
Really?
Yeah. You know, especially that area, the Konyaaltı.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, a lot of peoples, Russian peoples are there. Yeah.
And where you stay here? Name hostel?
Be Bold Hostel.
hostel,
Yeah,
not
people-
hotel.
not
hostel.
hotels,
Yeah, me too.
Really?
Really. Name Deer.
Deer?
Yes, Deer Hostel.
Oh, is it good?
Not so much.
Either?
Yeah.
My hostel is really good.
Really?
Always clean. They have
Mm.
clean kitchen, clean toilet, clean shower
Can you
room.
check me? Your hostel?
Ah, okay. Oh, you wanna come here next time?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay, I will send you.
Because I don't like my hostel.
I like my hostel. Are you good at swimming?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm. It's my life. Really, I enjoyed when I underwater.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
With myself.
Swimming clothes?
Yes,
Oh,
yes, I have.
Can we go to swim
Yes,
today? No?
Yeah,
Okay,
no.
go.
really. After 5 or 10 minutes, we go.
Yeah. Okay. How about this private beach or?
Yeah, I trust you because I don't know where this beach.
Yeah.
And you know.
Yeah.
Но выбрала деревню Алачати. Тоже очень красивое место.
Красивая.
Красивое. Yes. Do you know this
Спасибо.
word? Oh, no.
Пляж.
Why прячь?
Oh. All the Russian people think like that?
I don't know. It's
Just
it's my
your
mind.
opinion.
Yes, yes. You understand me?
Yeah, I understand. Definitely understand. 한국인과 중국인은 자기가 봐도 너무 다르대요. 중국인은 시끄럽고 예의가 없는데 한국인은 의사소통할 때 항상 친절하다고 하네요. Yeah, I think so. I live in hostel. I stay in hostel, so almost I cook my dinner or breakfast. So when I was arrived in here, and I just buy soy sauce for cook, and I just use soy sauce, and I shared to another people in hostel. But you know, Chinese people leave the hostel yesterday morning, but I guess after that the soy sauce was gone. So I think they not correct, but I think they took my soy sauce.
Yeah. I have one question.
What?
How many words, Russian words, you know?
Привет, как дела? And like спасибо. Сука, блядь.
Really nice.
아, 안탈리아에 오면서 여기는 거의 맨날 오는 것 같네. 근데 제가 여러 군데 걸어 다녀 보면서 해변을 많이 봤는데 제일 좋은 해변인 것 같아요. 하루에 10,000원. 돌아다니다 보면은 10,000원보다 많이 쓰는데 하루에 10,000원 내고 여기서 그냥 하루 종일 물놀이 하면서 있으면 솔직히 아깝다는 생각은 안 들더라고요. I guess there is better.
There?
Yeah.
Sure. Help you?
No, I think I can. Are you good at swimming?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
오, 뭐야? 개 잘하는데? 개 잘하네? You right here?
Yeah, sure.
Yesterday I went through the rock over there. Yeah.
And which better?
You compare with here?
Yeah.
Let's go there. Yeah. 바로 타버렸어.
Yeah, this is best place.
Yeah. Ah, 좋다. The water is not very cold.
Yeah.
It was very good to see. And you know, this is not really salty. Compared with Korean Ocean, it's not so. Yeah, cold. Oh, you crossed the line.
Bye bye.
수영 진짜 잘하네요. 물을 안 무서워하네. You look like a mermaid. You know, this view is also nice. Sasha, we met on there.
Yeah.
We come together here.
Yes. Unbelievable. And now return here. If you want, I make video for you. Yes?
But I don't have.
Okay.
I don't have cigarettes.
I'll give you. I can down your camera underwater. Yes?
It's waterproof.
Oh, let's go.
It's a GoPro. I think you look like a model now.
Model?
Yeah, model.
Maybe we swim from there. No,
Maybe?
on there.
On the rock?
You don't care
Yeah, maybe I can.
with the camera?
Yeah. Of course I can. Okay, let's go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Oh,
We rise like tall buildings
oh.
as the chemicals
이거
that
되게
take us
개빡세네.
higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the
Watch out.
night.
Yeah, yeah.
Wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky.
이게
Just
스피드 커버 같은 경찰분들이에요.
running wild. Never say never stop.
Hello.
Every shot from the top.
I'm fine. Are you funny?
We're
Wow,
gonna
cool.
be two hearts running wild. Yeah, the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. Laugh so loud as the hours pass.
좋아하는 거 보고
We're gonna do
자기도 되게 뜨겠다고 하네.
We wanna chase the night. Wanna dance to the light. All stars from the
So
sky.
nice.
Just two hearts running.
You know, you stay 30 minutes in the water. Yeah, maybe more.
From the top.
But feels like 1 minute.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
How was your swim? How was your swim?
I'm so glad. And really nice place. And I couldn't better.
I told you this is the best place.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
You're absolutely right.
So you have to go back to Russia tonight.
Why you remember me? Beautiful.
Feeling the nature, windy, yeah.
And sunshine.
Sunshine, yeah.
How do you
You know, I feel really like peaceful mood in Antalya. Before here, I traveled much city, you know, in Turkey, but I didn't feel like peaceful. Before here, I always feel like busy and I have to do a lot of things, but now, yeah, my stress is gone.
just enjoy this moment, and that's all. That's enough for me now.
That's enough.
Yeah, yeah.
So we have to go back to hotel by walk
Yeah,
for 20 minutes
30
or 30
minutes.
30 minutes.
Yes.
How much is your hotel for one day?
470.
417?
Yes.
Yeah, it's cheap.
And yours?
My hostel is in good location, so it's almost 600.
It's normal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
Not expensive.
Included breakfast?
No, without.
Me too. There are not a lot of hostel in Antalya, so we don't have many choice. So I
Yeah.
다샤 누나가 오늘 마지막 날이라서 오늘만 이렇게 수영을 하고 저녁에는 비행기 타고 러시아로 돌아가는데, 근데 나중에 또 모스크바에 제가 가면 연락하라고 하니까 언젠가 제가 러시아에 간다면 또 만날 수 있는 인연이겠죠. Everything's good?
So good.
You can take a shower over there.
I know.
Yeah, yeah.
Finished?
Yeah. I think 100 photo.
Yeah.
진짜 이 머멀리 해변은 안탈리아 구시가지 쪽에 숙소 잡으셨으면 무조건 와야 되는 것 같아요. 너무 좋은 해변입니다, 진짜. 고양이도 있고.
I need internet.
You need internet?
Yeah.
I can search it. I will.
Oh, I can
Yeah.
see in your phone.
Yeah, yeah. I make a screenshot.
And how you
Airdrop.
airdrop?
Yeah.
Okay. Really? Yeah.
I'm smart.
Me too, but not today.
This is a good street. I like Antalya Old Town.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like
But
it has.
not another city.
Yeah, yeah. It has own vibe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I like it. I'm here and you go here.
That's right.
Yeah.
And okay.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Bye.
Bye. See you later.
See you.
Yeah. 저는 오늘도 이렇게 하루를 마무리하고 호스텔로 돌아가 보겠습니다.